In the future, you may not need to build houses, no need for foundations. Houses will be directly transported from the factory to your home. They come fully decorated from the factory, equipped with top brand appliances. In the bedroom, there's a large skylight to gaze at the stars. The bathroom is separated for wet and dry use, accommodating multiple people. With air conditioning and underfloor heating, the 38 square meter space can comfortably house 4 people. The factory can complete production in 30 days, and you can move in once water and electricity are connected upon arrival.